Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10C and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So basically you do not really need to do anything, your device will do everything for you. So simply enter the security, of course give all the permissions, and as you can see right here we've got the security scan. So let's tap and again agree. And as you can see, your device will scan itself, will check itself in order to find any kind of malware, any kind of viruses, or even any kind of problems which you may have here. And as you can see in my case, everything looks good, but if you will have any problems or viruses, then your device will list it right here and you will be able to remove them. So basically that's all. This is how to security scan your Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.